Today is DIY, do it yourself. Mix your body scrub yourself. Today I'm going to be doing the practical on how you're going to be mixing your scrub by yourself. You're going to be using 4 ingredients: honey, coffee, brown sugar, and coconut oil. These 3 combo will give you a perfect scrub for your skin. In my previous video, I've already explained why it's important that you use scrub and how to use scrub. You can click on the link to watch that video. Now, don't use this scrub that I'm going to mix if you're having spots on your skin or on your face. Okay, let's go. So in a clean bowl, pour in your coffee with brown sugar, mix them together. This is coffee and brown sugar being mixed together. After that, pour in your coconut oil. Okay, I've already poured in the coconut oil. I'm trying to mix them together to make sure they are well blended. This is how it's supposed to be. Look at it. Yes. Then pour in your honey. After that, mix them together very well. The coconut oil, honey, and brown sugar. Not too thick, not too watery. This is your homemade scrub. If you can't get scrub in the market, then you can do it yourself. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Okay, that is it. Now, I know that you understand how to mix your scrub yourself and how to use a very good proportion of them, because you have to use a very good proportion of them in order to get a very good result. So, this is my channel, Glow with Juliana. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you don't miss out on any tips on how to glow your skin, brighten your skin, lose tummy fat, and also use your general weight. Thank you and see you next time.